What's good, Bass Drop Militia? Bass Drop Keys here. I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Good Eats. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make medicated Jell-O. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Now, Jell-O is one of the easiest things to make. All you essentially need is gelatin of your choice and water. Now you guys know that we're making medicated Jell-O, so we'll be adding another special ingredient, green dragon, aka cannabis tincture. To get started, we're gonna take some water and put it inside of a pot so that we can boil it. We're gonna take our gelatin mix, which in this case is raspberry, and we're gonna put it inside of our mixing bowl. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of green dragon, aka cannabis tincture, and put it inside of our mixing bowl. Once we do that, we're going to take 2 cups of boiling water and put it inside of our mixing bowl as well. Now we need to whisk this up for 2 minutes and let everything dissolve. While the 2 minutes is passing, let me explain to you exactly why our Jell-O is 525 milligrams of THC. We made this green dragon using 190 proof grain alcohol called Everclear, but also we used 35 grams of 18% blackjack cannabis. Now there are 1,000 milligrams for every 1 gram of cannabis. So when we turn our 35 grams into milligrams, we get 35,000 milligrams. We then take that 35,000 milligrams and multiply it by the amount of THC that's in our cannabis, which is 18%. So 35,000 milligrams times 0.18 equals 6,300 milligrams. Now we used 750 milliliters of Everclear when we made our green dragon. That is a little bit over 3 cups. So if we take the 6,300 milligrams and divide it by 3, we get 2,100 milligrams of THC per cup of green dragon. In our recipe of Jell-O, we used a 1/4 cup of green dragon. So we need to take our 2,100 milligrams and divide it by 4 to get a 1/4 cup. Whenever you do that, that equals 525. So our entire batch of Jell-O has 525 milligrams of THC in it. Okay, so now it's been 2 minutes. We've been whisking our Jell-O mix and everything is dissolved. The next thing that we have to do is we have to pour in 2 more cups of cold water into our Jell-O mix and make sure that everything is still dissolved. So let's do that. Now that we have everything mixed appropriately, it's really easy. We're just going to set it in the refrigerator for 4 hours, let it set up, and I'll show you what it looks like after the 4 hours. Alright, so it's been 4 hours, and as you guys can see, we have a lovely medicated treat, raspberry Jell-O. It's amazing. So that's it. That's how you make medicated Jell-O. You can do any flavor that you want to. It's totally up to you. I hope that this video helped you out. Make sure that you check out all the videos that's in the Good Eats playlist. I really appreciate all the support. And until next time, peace.